Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you are doing well and you are doing amazing. Today's video, as you guys can see on the title below, this is going to be the house blessing. So finally, we are doing the house blessing for the newly rebuilt province house. So I know some of you might have a confusion as to why we're doing another house blessing and why is this house different to the house tour that I had before. So for some of you that do not know, the previous province house that you guys saw was actually being destroyed by Typhoon Odette when it hit last year, December 2021. So right now what you are seeing, or this new house, is the rebuild. And yeah, of course, since this is a totally new house, we need to do another house blessing, and also maybe by tomorrow we are going to do a tradition that we do here in the countryside or here in the Philippines. I'm not sure all around Philippines does it, but we do it here in the countryside, which is putting pig's blood on the pillars or on the corners around the house. So we're going to be doing that by tomorrow because today will be dedicated for the house blessing. It will take place at 1 this afternoon, so we are going to prepare a few food for the priest. So it's only going to be me, Papa, my brother-in-law, my uncle, Scarlett, and the kid, and Tom that is going to attend the house blessing. That's because my mom and my sister, they're working. It's Saturday today, so it's their last day of work for the week, and we wanted to do the house blessing tomorrow, which is Sunday, so that everyone could attend. But unfortunately, the schedule of the priest is already full and we could not be on the schedule anymore, so it has to be today. I am going to prepare some food for the priest, which is going to be fish, also cook some shrimp, and we are just gonna buy lechon manok or roasted chicken somewhere here in the countryside, and then one dessert and one fruit, which is banana, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, time check right now, I think it is already 10:30 in the morning, so we still have a few hours while we wait for the priest. So if you guys can see over there, my sister actually helped me clean a bit here around the house so that it will be a bit more clean, because as you know, the house still is a total mess because it's not been totally done. But yeah, we had to do the house blessing because it's time to do the house blessing. All right, so yeah, I'll take you guys with me in today's house blessing, so stick around. Alright guys, I just finished a bit of cleaning inside again because it got dirty. The kids are around, so you know, they play, and now it was dirty. Anyway, the rain has been on and off here in the countryside. The weather has been super unpredictable. It rained for a few minutes and then it stopped and then it rains again. So yeah, it's crazy. Speaking of weather, I have been actually under the weather in the last few days. That's why my energy is not as high as the previous vlogs. I have just recovered. I was suffering from pain in my right foot, which actually prevented me from driving. And yeah, it was swollen, and I don't know what happened. It just occurred one morning when I woke up and I couldn't walk. Tom has to like carry me going to the toilet and bath and go to the living room to eat, and it was crazy. And then after that, Tom got sick. We had to rush him. We had to call an ambulance, rush him to the hospital. Right now he's recovering in the room. That's why you will probably not gonna be able to see him in this vlog. He's been really weak and just not feeling well, feeling really bad. I felt really bad for him because I don't want to see him like looking really sick and just lying around and not do anything. But yeah, hopefully he will be able to recover pretty soon. Anyway, right now it's already 11 in the morning, so we still have around 2 hours to prepare for the house blessing. And I think right now I'm just gonna try to cook the fish and the shrimp as well. And then my papa and Atan went to get the lechon manok, or the roasted chicken. I'm actually in the terrace right now because it just gives me this really nice view, and I wanted this vlog to be very, happy and lively at least. But yeah, so sorry about that, guys. I've been really lousy on the beginning of this vlog, but I'm gonna try to compartmentalize and be awake because house blessing should be happy, and I wanna share with you guys that I'm happy that the house will be blessed. So yeah, I'm gonna try to control myself not to be too stressed about our health for the last few days and just put it aside for now because today is a happy day. We're gonna claim it. That's why I wanna sit down here and just look at the view so that I could smile and talk to you guys. And yeah, anyway, so yeah, right now I'm gonna try to cook and prepare the house for the blessing. So let's go. Alright guys, so time check right now, it's 12:30 in the afternoon and we have 30 minutes until the priests arrive. So yeah, just right in time that I have finished cooking as well. So let me show you how does it look here. There's a lot of flies. It's really stressing me out. Alright, I just covered them with this foil thing that I got from Dawi Foam the other day because we will be using this tomorrow since we do have another tradition for the house tomorrow. Okay, so let me remove all the covers first and I'll show you the food that we prepared for the priest. Okay, first up, we have here this tilapia. So this is fried tilapia. And then we have here the rice, of course. And then the next one is we have here one roasted chicken. So that's how it looks. Looks really nice. It's still hot, so that's good. And then last but not least, which is my favorite, we have garlic butter shrimp. And actually, it's a lot of garlic butter shrimp. And I think there's only 2 of them that would normally come here during a house blessing. It's just the priest and 1 assistant. And then for the dessert, this is the only dessert I could find here in the countryside. We have here sticky rice with coconut milk, or budbud in Bisaya, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, this is gonna be my little feast for the house blessing for today. But though it's already 12:30, everyone's gonna have lunch first. So yeah, we have another 1 roasted chicken. We're gonna be eating in the terrace, and then yeah, we should be doing the house blessing. Let's go, let's do this.
Magahom mo gulay gito bang Diyos, balangin ang altaran ni Malaya. Nakuinumdum ka na mo sa mga anak, kinsa naggawas ka na mo gikan sa walay, huwag magadasi kini kanila sa pagsunod sa pagtulunan sa mga anak sa Kristo. Balangin kining sala, kining lawaka, din magapuyo nining pamilya. Hinaot ka din yung makaplagan mo na yung kalinaw, para masalibon sila makapahulay ba kanimo. Saan samahan ng Espiritu Santo, ang tigandanan, kailangan mo sa kagdaw na tagadang Nung nagbasaylo kami sa nagsalatan namin, hindi kami tugan sa magsulay, Magbimaya ka Maria sa mga kasagrasya, di naman na kanimo. Bulani ka ang sumbagitan na sa bunga sa mga Jesus. Santa Maria, Ina sa Diyos, siya mga magkasala. Karon sa oras sa mga kamatay. Amen.
Magbimaya ka Maria, nagpapagpapasya, karon sa oras ang kamatay. Amen.
Alright guys, so finally the house has been blessed and I am really happy that, the time has come. Anyway, I think this is just a really short vlog. I'm just happy that finally it's done. Though Tom is really not feeling well. He's really weak until now. So hopefully in the next few days he will be able to recover because we do have some plans that needs his energy. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys what's gonna be the happenings for tomorrow. Some of my friends will be coming over. So we have Bingo and Lynn that will be coming here, and I'm not sure yet if Bro and my twin will be able to come because they do have work. I'm quite happy. This is it. The next thing that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is going to be the tradition that we have here in the countryside that we do for the house as well. At the same time, I'm going to give you an update about the terrace as well. It's almost done. Just waiting for a few things to be done so that I will be doing the video about it and update you guys as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little quick vlog. Actually, the priest who did the blessing was the same one who did the blessing last time, and yeah, he actually did mention that he always comes here to like bless the house, and I was like, yeah, it's crazy. But yeah, he was very nice, and we actually had to like go all around the house in order to bless like all corners of the house. I asked Papa to ask him to do that so that that entire house will be fully blessed. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on my social media accounts, Instagram and Facebook. Everything is at meljeansolon. As always, I will see you guys on my next one. Don't forget to smile and be happy. Bye.